Hi you guys! I'm cooking nilagang baka. So, hindi ako professional cook, okay? Huwag kayo mang-bash dyan. I just cook the way I want it to be. I want it. Okay, so ginisa ko na yung sibuyas. Sunod natin yung bawang. Bawang. I'm using a pressure cooker kasi after ko siya igisa, ipa-pressure cooker natin siya. Okay? Saan kayo nanonood? I'm from Las Vegas, by the way. No makeup tayo. A little bit lang. I wanted to start a YouTube channel. Mommy Crystal ang YouTube ko. But it's all about like my babies and stuff. But let's try some cooking because I always do cooking. I always cook every day, pretty much. So we're just gonna do like a life vlog, I guess. Saan kayo nanonood? I-comment nyo dyan, ha? Saan kayo nanonood? I-comment nyo. So nilagyan ko na ng kamatis. Ayan, gisa-gisahin lang natin. Gisa-gisahin lang natin. Ano ba ang pagbablog? Hindi ko nga alam kung paano ka mababayaran. I don't know. I'll do it for fun. Then maybe later on, we'll get to that. But I like to take videos and photos. So that's me. I'm a mother of two. Boy and girl. And I have a wonderful husband. What else can I say? I live here in Las Vegas now. Originally from Philippines. Okay. Let's see how long I will last on this YouTube, okay? So, ginisa na natin yung kamatis. There you go. So, may sibuyas, bawang, and kamatis na dyan. No bashing, okay? No bashing. I'm not a professional cook. I'm just a mom that cooks somehow. I love to put cilantro on my thing. I don't know yung cilantro sa Tagalog. Hindi ko alam yung cilantro sa Tagalog. Pero mabango siya. It really smells good. Okay? Then, gisa-gisa lang. Gisa-gisa. I'm gonna try to edit too. Bigyan nyo nga ako ng tip dyan sa baba kung paano ba mag-vlog. I don't even know. We're gonna use, tatlo lang kami kakain. So, we're gonna use, mga 4 lang kami kakain. We're gonna use this bone marrow. They say it's really healthy for you. So, we're gonna do that. Gisa natin yan. Gisa-gisa natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Ganyan. Gisa-gisa lang natin. Okay, we're gonna put a little pepper. A little pepper. Not too much kasi may baby ako. Nakabawal sa kanya. And then, I'm gonna put this mushroom seasoning. It's no MSG. Mushroom seasoning. Then we're gonna get some water. We're gonna get some water. Para i-pressure cooker na natin siya. Okay? Halo-haluin lang natin. Nilagang baka. I'm gonna put pechay on this one. And I'm gonna put potatoes as well. Wala kaming carrots, so I didn't buy carrots too. Okay, so we're gonna put some water right now. Maingay. We're gonna put some water right now. Add a little bit more. More pa. Kasi nilagang baka siya. Wait lang. Lakas lang natin yung heat konti. This is gonna take usually mga 45 minutes para malambot talaga siya. A little bit more water, okay? Nilagang baka, mga mare. Ano kaya sa tawag ko sa inyo? Mga cooking ina. Mga cooking ina. Mga cooking ina, kamusta? Nagfi-feeling vlogger, no? Hindi naman vlogger. Pero it's like fun to vlog. Yeah, since I like to take videos and photos, you know, might as well share it to you guys. Okay? A little bit more. A little bit more. Gusto ko na masabaw. Kasi may baby ako, gusto niya ng soup. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, so mga 3.5 ng this cup right here ang nilagay ko. Marami. Lagyan na natin siguro ng patis, right? Open a little patis. Patis is fish sauce. Fish sauce, mga cooking ina. Mga cooking ina. Yan, fish sauce. Konti lang muna. Kasi ako, I'd rather do it like walang lasa than salty na siya. Kasi pag salty na siya, wala na. Dagdag ng water. Mawala ng lasa siya. Pero pag walang lasa, you just add. Okay? So this pressure cooker, high lang muna siya. And then, pag tumunog siya, we'll do it for 45 minutes. I'll be back. Okay? Bye, cooking ina. I'll be back. Okay, mga cooking ina, umiingay na siya. So, hintay na lang tayo 45 minutes. Yay! Tapos, dito, pinapakuluan ko yung patatas. Okay? So, see you later! Hi, I'm back! So, check na natin. 45 minutes ago na. So, check natin yung meat natin. Kung malambot. Kung malambot siya. Actually, malambot na siya, I could tell. So, here's part of the meat. Malambot na siya. So, what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna put the rest of the cilantro. I love cilantro because mabango siya. Mabango siya. So, this is how it looks like now. Okay. Bukas pa rin yung stove. Kasi lulutuin pa natin yung vegetables. Now, we're gonna put this potatoes. Lagyan na natin yung potatoes para magkalasa na rin siya. There you go. Anong dinner nyo, guys? Anong dinner nyo? Ano na ngayon? 6:30 na here in Vegas. So, I washed the dishes earlier while waiting. Clean a little bit. There you go. Anong mga dinner nyo? Anong dinner nyo? What's up for dinner? Let me know on the comment. Go. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Yan. Pakuluan lang natin siya. And then later on, we're gonna put the pechay. Here's the pechay. Here's the pechay. Ang dami kong pechay na ilalagay. I'm gonna put a lot. I washed it already. Everything is clean. Then, actually, titikman natin siya. The brand new spoon, tikman natin kung kulang pa ng patis. Kulang pa. Walang lasa, mga cooking ina. Oh my. Ganyan ako. Takot akong maglagay ng marami muna. So, dahan-dahan. Walang lasa, dagdagan lang. Ganun lang yan. Kesa naman umalat. Diba? Yan. Alam yan, tikman natin ulit. Hugasan mo yung spoon, okay? Huwag ka mag-double dip. Huwag ka mag-double dip. Always, turn yung spoon. Tikman natin ulit ngayon. Konti pa. Konti pa. Ganyan din ba kayo magluto? I washed it already. Konti pa. Ganyan din ba kayo magluto? Dahan-dahan. Tapos lagyan natin ng mushroom seasoning. Itong mushroom seasoning, walang MSG. There's no MSG. It's all natural. That's what I put in there. Okay. Let's see. Let's mix it a little bit. Yan. Tikman natin ulit. Nahugasan na natin to. We're getting there. We're getting there. Probably a little bit more. Washed it already. A A little bit more. Sorry. Like I said, hindi ako professional cook. Kaya, pachamba-chamba lang tayo. Okay? Basta malinis yung niluluto mo. And it's healthy, you know? Sarap na. Masarap na. Yeah, that's good enough. Hintayin na lang natin siya kumulo. Actually, kumukulo na siya. There you go. We can put the... Pwede na natin ilagay yung sangkaterbak kong pechay. Ganyan lang. Hindi ko siya pinuputol in half or anything like that. Tapos pag naglagay kayo ng gulay, kailangan malakas ang apoy, okay? Make sure high heat. Okay? High heat natin siya. Ayusin lang natin siya like that. Sarap na ng dinner. Anong dinner nyo, guys? Nilagang baka tayo today. Yan. Okay. Alrighty. I'll see you guys next channel. I see you guys next video ko. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Alrighty, mga cooking ina. Bye! So guys, this is our finished product right here. Sarap. Look at that. It's so hot. Got the bone marrow right there. Yummy! Kain na tayo mga cooking ina. Bye! Ingat kayo parate!